Which animal is a marsupial that lives in Australia? Koala. What is the main diet of a panda bear? Bamboo. Which small animal is often kept as a pet and uses a wheel for exercise? Hamster. Which sea creature is famous for changing its color to hide? Octopus. Which animal is the fastest land animal on Earth? Cheetah. Which reptile is known for moving very slowly on land? Turtle. Which mammal is known for sleeping upside down in caves? Bat. Which creature has a shell and moves slowly on land? Snail. Which large marine mammal lives the longest? Bowhead whale. Which insect collects nectar to make honey? Honeybee. Which bird is famous for being able to talk and imitate sounds? Parrot. Which type of monkey uses a rock to crack nuts open? Capuchin monkey. Which farm animal is commonly raised for its wool? Sheep. Which small creature can regenerate its entire tail if cut off? Lizard. Which bird is the largest in the world but cannot fly? Ostrich. Which animal is famous for its powerful jump using its back legs? Kangaroo. Which animal is known for lighting up the deep parts of the ocean? Anglerfish. Which insect undergoes a process called metamorphosis? Butterfly. Which small marine animal holds hands while sleeping in the water? Sea otter. Which large bird lays the biggest eggs in the world? Ostrich. Which mammal sleeps for a very long period, like through the winter? Bear. Which marine mammal is known for using sound to navigate and find food? Dolphin. Which large reptile is known for having a very strong bite? Alligator. Which animal is a black and white bird known for its mimicry? Magpie.
Which small fish is often kept in a bowl as a very common pet? Goldfish. Which domestic animal barks and loves to fetch a ball? Dog. Which big cat is famous for having stripes on its body? Tiger.
Which small, colorful bird is known for hovering while it drinks nectar? Hummingbird. Which social insect lives in a large colony with a queen? Ant. Which animal stores water in its hump to survive in the desert? Camel.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.